Welcome to another session of multiple choice questions. Today we will discuss some MCQs on psychology. So let's start with the first question. The relationship that is of extreme importance in the formation of personality is peer, sibling, parent-child, heterosexual. Right answer is parent-child relationship. The parent-child relationship is extreme importance in formation of personality. Next, a gifted child has an IQ test of greater than 120, greater than 100, greater than 130, less than 115. Normally, a normal individual has an IQ of within 90 to 110 range. So above 110 or 120, we will call it gifted child. Above 110, it is we can call it extreme superior, and above 130, we will call it gifted child. So the correct answer is greater than 130. 130 is gifted child, is very superior IQ. Next question is, thinking is mental process that deals with thoughts and ideas, motives and movements, actions and reactions, feelings and emotions. So thinking deals with, right option is thoughts and ideas. Defense mechanism or mental mechanism is a reaction to frustration, motivation, drive, emotion. Frustration. When someone gets frustrated, he defends himself. So it is called defense mechanism. Is reaction to frustration. Cause of juvenile delinquency includes defective heredity, defective environment, broken family, all of the above. Juvenile delinquency means when a crime is conducted by any child who is less than teenager, who is less than 18 years of age, is called juvenile delinquency. So it includes, which is the cause, includes defective heredity, defective environment, broken family, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Which of the following is not affected by heredity? Personality, habits, intelligence, learning. Right answer is habits. Habit is not affected by heredity. Working hard to make up for a weakness or deficiency is intellectualization, displacement, reaction formation, compensation. Right answer is compensation. When you have to work hard for your weakness or deficiency to make up that, so that is called compensation. You are compensating your weakness. Any permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of practice or experience is called personality, adjustment, learning, memory. Right answer is learning. Learning occurs as a result of practice or experience in behavior. When a person retreat or revert to an infantile or childish level of behavior, so it is called suppression, regression, repression, sublimation. Right answer is regression. Largest sense organ of our body is sensitive to sound, light, touch, chemical concentration. Right answer is touch. The largest sense organ of our body is skin, and skin is sensitive to touch. Operant conditioning theory of learning was proposed by Ivan Pavlov, B.F. Skinner, Sigmund Freud, and Abraham Maslow. Operant conditioning theory was proposed by B.F. Skinner. A special ability to learn and develop particular skills is known as attitude, aptitude, intelligence, achievement. Right answer is aptitude. Aptitude is a special ability to learn and develop some particular skills. A person justifies his failures and socially unacceptable behavior by giving false but socially acceptable reason is known as displacement, intellectualization, rationalization and reaction formation. Right answer is rationalization. When a person does some unacceptable behavior or he has some failures, he justifies it by some socially acceptable reason, but it is false. He rationalize his doing, so it is called rationalization. Emotional evaluation of self is self-concept, self-esteem, self-realize, self-identity. Right answer is self-esteem. Intellectual quotient or IQ tells about intellectual maturity, mental age in relation to chronological age, academic achievement, mental growth. Right answer is mental age in relation to chronological age. IQ is mental age in relation to chronological age. So that's about today. I hope you enjoy the session. We'll meet soon next Saturday with another video. So subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and share with your batchmates.